Welcome to Softbrik and this tutorial on how to use trust forms. We'll start out by adding a new form. Click the Add Form button. Give it a name and a description. It can be anything, such as a product or a service. Now make sure to add a description. Now it's important that you choose the right language. The language is the language that you will get the feedback in. And you can also choose to translate if you are selling in foreign markets or have customers speaking a different language. Here we'll choose the default design and we'll edit it afterwards so you can see and change things exactly as you want. Set yourself as recipient to receive notifications whenever feedback is given. You can also choose to forward it, but for now we'll keep it with the notification. First you will hit the Create button and the form is created, which means you now will see the list of fields that is available in the form. There's a question in the subtitle, a star rating. There's the option of using text and voice for the feedback. You can capture the name or the email of the person giving the feedback. You can add a number and as well as a drop down. And finally, you can also change the text on the button for submitting. Now, on the side here, you can choose to make things mandatory or not to show them on the form at all. You can also choose if the star rating should be something else than stars, like hearts. And once you feel ready, you just hit the Update Field button and your form is now set according to your preferences. Now to start capturing feedback, click on the icon on the top right corner, copy the link or print the QR code, and start sharing it with your customers. You will now see the feedback coming in. Should you want to see the form one final time, you can always hit the preview button. Here you see the hearts that we set, and you see that the email is mandatory. That's all on how to create trust forms. More videos can be found on the Softbrik Academy website.